Hello friends, welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun-filled. Today, Dalia. In most Indian homes, it's a regular feature when it comes to breakfast. Dalia or broken wheat is a cereal grain that forms an integral part of the staple diet. And why not? With more and more people getting health conscious. So now directly to the cooking. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of dalia, which I will be dry roasting on low medium flame. Well, few more words about dalia. Dalia is rich in fiber and functions as an excellent laxative which prevents constipation, and it also helps in regulating your blood sugar, and in weight loss also it acts as a powerhouse, I can say. Now here I have added a little bit of white oil or vegetable oil, just 1 teaspoonful, to this cumin seeds, and a little bit of asafoetida and 1 large onion which I have finely chopped. And here goes 2 green chilies. These green chilies you add according to your taste and as much as flame you can tackle. Now fry this for 2 or 3 minutes or until the onions are little bit transparent. Now here I will be adding some small whole potatoes. These are new potatoes which nowadays in market you get plenty, and here I have added some carrot and some French beans. Vegetables you can add according to your taste, and after this I will be frying all of them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add cauliflower and some green peas also. As I told you all friends, you can add vegetables according to your taste. Now what I was talking about, dalia's high fiber content gives you the feeling of fullness, leaving no room for overeating. Now see, if you are dreaming of achieving effective weight loss, adding dalia to your daily diet is a must. Dalia has a low glycemic index and it contains a complex carbohydrate which helps regulate the blood sugar level. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Now here I have added 1 tomato, whole tomato I have added actually, and then goes some spices, salt according to your taste, a little bit of turmeric powder, say half a teaspoonful of turmeric powder, half a teaspoonful of cumin powder, and a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. This you can avoid, and if you want to have some flame, you can add regular red chili powder also. Then again I will be frying this. If you want, you can add a little bit of water so that your masalas do not get charred, and fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. After that, when it is nicely fried, I will be adding the roasted dalia into it, and after adding the dalia, just give it a quick mix, a good mix, that's all, because already our dalia is roasted, so no need to fry anymore. Now to this I will be adding 4 cups of water. See, dalia consumes a lot of water, so if you want to make it mushy type of bowl, then you add 4 cups of water. Otherwise your dalia may stick to the pan and it will be dry. So add water accordingly. Now pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Until 1 whistle, give it a friends, if you all like this recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe, and those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of them. Now see, our bowl loaded with nutrition is available. Now add a little bit of coriander leaves to top it up, and this will give a lovely flavor also. And this dish is ready for you for your breakfast. Do try it and let me know how it came out. It's a simple cooking which gives a lot of health benefits actually, and this should be included in your daily diet. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Thank you all for watching. Keep me in your prayers.